Customers often ask me what the best way to use our award-winning Miracle Cleanser is and whether it can remove makeup. Cleansing is such an important step as part of any routine, and getting it right can make sure that your skin is supple, soft, radiant and glowing. We don't believe in using harsh foaming agents like sulfates or pore-clogging petrochemicals, which is why the Miracle Cleanser has a creamy, nourishing texture based on beautiful botanicals like aloe vera and shea butter, which means it won't strip the skin or leave it feeling dry, tight or unbalanced. You'll notice a beautiful uplifting blend of chamomile, eucalyptus, bergamot and rosemary, which smells like a facial in a jar. It's also packed full of bioorganic botanicals like Mongongo oil, Kigelia africana and Baobab. The Miracle Cleanser is also suitable for all skin types and ages, which means it's perfect for everyone to use. That's why this hero product is loved by our customers, and it's had some amazing reviews from the press too. Simply massage the Miracle Cleanser straight onto dry skin using dry fingertips and watch as it melts away daily impurities and makeup. You can even use it around the eyes. All you do is massage it into the eyelashes and over the eye area, and then use your bamboo muslin cloth, which has been dampened with warm water, onto the eyes and sweep away any excess makeup, cleanser and impurities. You'll be left with soft, dewy skin that feels supple to the touch and not dry, tight or irritated. You can pop the bamboo muslin cloth in the washing machine as well to keep it clean. You get one of those with your 120ml cleanser, and we also do a box of 7 cloths which you can purchase separately. Finish with a spritz of our brightening or calming botanical essence to hydrate and refresh the skin before you apply the Revitalise and Glow Serum.